Oops.
This is going on YouTube unedited, right?
Yeah. You got a knife, bro?
Okay.
Sweet.
Forgot. It doesn't sound good unless you got it plugged in.
Did you buy it from Apple?
Yeah, I did,
Did you buy it
because
from Steve Jobs?
himself, yeah.
Steve Jobs. He's dead, Simon.
Does it open from this?
He died like 10 years ago.
Does it?
Looks like there's a little tab.
Wait, how did Castro get his phone first?
Because I got the iPhone 12 Pro, not the Pro Max.
Oh. Charles, do you use
What do you need it for?
He just got his phone. I'm just phone.
Did we throw it away? Is it
Yeah,
in here?
it's in the recycling bin. I think they should not put the plastic on the box, and then they'd be more environmentally friendly.
Wow, that box is really cool.
Oh,
Wait, is that how big it is?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. It's huge.
Ooh. Beep, beep, beep. Okay.
Do you have a case for it yet?
Oh, it's so cold. Do I? No, I do not. No. No, I do not.
Thank you.
Shred it. Oh, is there... This is the whole box? Very nice.
When you get a birthday present and you don't know if you should continue digging in the bag for more.
Like, hey, look over there.
No, I wasn't. I was just looking at the bag.
I heard that the charging cable is different. Is that true?
It is USB-C, so it looks like this now,
Oh. Why did they do that?
which I already have through. Oh, hello. Hi there, buddy. Hello. Oh, yes, I am from the United States. You should probably just put that one first.
Oh, for mine
You
it was.
should probably put that one first because it is.
Yeah. Probably like just,
Quick start.
almost like we'd have to.
Hang on.